Hi everyone, this is the picture today I am going to draw. I don't need to explain about this person. He is a very good actor. He is a son of Siva Kumar and brother of actor Surya. So today I am going to draw this picture. Okay, let me introduce about the pencil that I am going to use for the pencil drawing. Initially I use Apsara HB pencil or 2B pencil, which can be easily erasable. Okay, so this is the pencil I am showing to you, right? So let me start the sketching. Okay, usually I'll start with the left eye. Following that I'll draw a right eye. Okay, but we should keep in mind that the space between two eyes or one eye. Okay, we have to draw the closer things like highlights and wrinkles next to next, which can be easily got. So after the eye, following that I'm drawing the eyebrow. Next I will mark the eye wrinkles and the highlight of the nose. Whatever the things very closer and easily we can mark, just draw that. and mustache and the lips. While you're seeing and drawing, you have to make sure the shapes are coming as well or not, otherwise you can erase and redo. If you check, I'm drawing the closer parts, which is next to next. So after drawing eyes, nose and lips, I'm marking the outside. There are many techniques to draw the portrait. Some people are drawing from outline of the face, or starting from the eyebrow, or starting from the nose, but I used to draw from the eyes because I believe that eyes are very important. Once the eyes you've drawn very well, so other parts you can draw following that. That is the easy method I am doing. Even I was doing for many types of portraits, but this style is very comfortable for me to draw, right? So that I'm doing this way. So I drawn the all. This is very important step. So here I'm going to make some corrections whatever the mistake I did. So if you check with the photo, the drawing has left eye very big, so I need to make a correction of it. You check comparing with the picture, left eye is bigger, so now I am going to correct it. And also I need to check up with the face proportions and outlines, whether it is come or not. Okay, this is a small piece of the steadler pencil, so I'm going to make the final outline with this steadler pencil because this is permanent one. Even after erasing, this pencil line will be there. Okay, so now here I'm just making the dark outline with the steadler pencil, but here you should be very careful because you should not make the dark outline in the unwanted area, because it cannot be erased. It's a permanent pencil. You might ask why I am using this steadler pencil for the final outline. Means I have made a lot of rough lines with the HB pencil, so I don't want to be confused with the final outline when I am shading. So that I used to make a final outline with the steadler pencil. So because after the final line, I'm going to erase the HB pencil line with eraser, so that I'll get a clean outline. And also we don't want to have the dark outline for the shading, because the dark line will disturb the shading. Some area you want to have a softer shade, so that we should avoid the dark outline, so that I am erasing. So here I am going to erase all the unwanted line with the eraser, as I already said. You can see that all the HB pencil lines are vanishing and disappear. So I am slowly erasing all unwanted lines. Except steadler lines, all the lines are going. I don't want all the lines in a dark manner. We want all the line in a light way only. Then only we can make shading proper way. Dark lines sometimes disturb the shading. So even after this, I'll make correction. I'll check the photo with outline, and wherever the corrections require, I'll make before the shading starts. Okay, some people will make a correction while shading, but I don't like that. But if necessary only, I can do the correction. Otherwise, most of the outlines and proportion will be changed in the drawing itself. Okay, now I'm checking the proportions whether it is okay or not. If it is not okay, then I'll make a changes, right? So I'm comparing the final outline with the sketch, but the pictures shows that the face jaw is little circular, but I have drawn as narrow, so I'm just changing it as little more curve, just extending the beard following that jaw. Now only I'm getting the right shapes of the face. Actually, we need more patience to work on the drawing. Also the forehead, you just compare the image with the drawing. In the picture, the forehead is very short and just small, so I'm just reducing the whiteness. The main thing is you should find out the mistakes, then only you can make corrections. Wherever the error you have done, you can make a correct of it. If you are unable to find out the mistakes, then it's very difficult to make the changes. And also right side jaw is little wider in the picture, so I'll be changing it that also. It seems most of the people who are watching my videos, they are thinking I am cheating in some way, like tracing and doing. I'm not at all doing that way. I like to do in this freehand drawing because it's very thrill and challenging, where most of the people don't try this. I believe that erasing is better than tracing. So you can erase the drawing thousands of times than the tracing the drawing. Tracing anybody can do. As an artist, we need to have a challenge, and we have to feel the thrillness. getting satisfaction by doing this way. That is why I'm keep on doing in this method. Otherwise, even I know a lot of techniques, grid method and tracing and light focus. Okay, so now I'm raising the HP lines where I corrected. Okay, in the outline we can bring the face 75%, but by shading only you can give the life to the drawing. You may know that how I am doing the drawing and what are the efforts I am putting on to make exact face. Erasing and correcting. You should have the observation power. Also, you should know the basic measurement of the face and basic skull form. That is very important to make exact portrait. Sometime we'll be doing proper proportions, but we fail to make character of the person, and also we will miss the resemblance. Okay, now the drawing is over. Let me do the shading in the part 2. Like my drawing, subscribe my channel. Thank you.